Ciao dear Sicily lovers and blessed Holy Week. Today is Holy Thursday and we commemorate the washing of the feet and the Last Supper of our Lord Jesus Christ with the apostles.
This is a very special day and we had a very beautiful nightly stroll this night in Palermo. We are in Palermo, we are in front of the beautiful cathedral in Palermo. And let's say something about this special tradition. So, we, as you know, our Lord Jesus Christ was crucified on Friday, the Good Friday, and this is a special day for the Christianity, for the Christian world, because churches consecrate the Holy Communion host, the communion host, only today, because just to respect the death of Jesus Christ, they don't do it on Good Friday. So this is the chance to consecrate the host and put the host in a different altar. Not in the main altar. The main altar is obscure to faithful, and they put the host in a different altar.
They replace.
Yeah, this is why they say the altar of repose. So it's just like a replacement. In Italian, we used to say
Sepolcri.
sepolcri, and following the tradition, we used to visit different churches, different altars on the same day. Why? Because those altars are completely different and they are full of flowers, full of symbols. We have lilies, we have beautiful setups.
Yes, beautiful.
And they make beautiful masterpieces. And so people used to visit in the same day different churches. It's a sort of a tour of the churches.
Yes, we used to say un giro di sepolcri, no? Gli amabili di sepolcri.
This is the Sicilian way. Some people used to visit 3 churches, just like the Trinity. Other people 5 churches, just like the wounds of Jesus Christ. Some other people 7 churches, just like the 7 pains of the Virgin Mary. Tonight we only visited 3 churches. We started with Santa Ninfa, then we went to Santa Caterina, my favorite church in Palermo, and finally we went to the cathedral. So,
if you come to Sicily, no, during the Easter time, don't miss this opportunity because the altars are beautiful. And don't forget to say the symbol, no, the important symbol, the wheat.
Let me say something special. Some people, some faithful, make many days in advance. They grow some wheat grains just to have in the Holy Week the final plants. So they germinate just in time in these days.
It's a beautiful symbol of rebirth.
Rebirth, and also, for example, the lily flowers, they represent the purity, the chastity. So it's a beautiful symbol of rebirth. And so now we really hope you enjoy this walk with us. And
we wish you a blessed Easter. God bless you, and we hope that this Easter could be a rebirth for all the Sicily lovers around the world.
We wanna send you our best vibes.
Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Ciao dear Sicily lovers. God bless you.